What's going on, everybody? This is Saul Casenda from MCSC Green Wheels. Another thing that we're going to do today, we're actually going to install the sway bar to our 1993 GT Foxbody that we call Staff Sergeant Reckless.
The Winnie sway bar?
Now, a lot of people have this, oh, you don't need a sway bar. I know that you probably look at the back end of this. We have our pen arm bar right here, and then we have our torque arm bar down here. And people are like, oh yeah, you don't probably need a sway bar. Hey, look, man, Mr. Celine put him on these cars for a reason, and that dude raced cars. You know, there's actually an advantage to a sway bar. Right here. What kit is that? Now, this is the Ford kit. These are the speed nuts, which will be these guys right here. They come 4 to a bag. I got the other one laying over here. And the bolts. Now, they're pretty cool. They're grade 10.9. There you go. They look fancy-dancy, you know. The good thing about it, it's going to go with our EIBACH sway bar. Now, we got this early on along with the front sway bar, and it was that hideous color red, I think, and we went ahead and powder coated with our friends over there at All-Star Powder Coatings, and Mr. Goggin did an amazing job. So, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and install this bad boy right on. It holds up there. You know what? I'm going to pop the rear one in a minute. So I'm going to come back over here and do the front over here on this side. There we go. Catch in there, catch in there. Then we're going to... Now it gives a little resistance, but don't worry about it. Just give it a little pull. And then we're just going to match it up here. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. I'm going to do the rear ones. That one's in. One more, and then we'll just torque it down. Bag 2. Alright. Now I have 2 left over. For next time, buddy. We got it in, now button them down. Sway bars are overrated if you want to do cornering, you know, or rock climbing, whatever. Who the hell needs a sway bar for that? Cool. I want to thank everybody on our Instagram. Please go on there, follow us, give us a couple comments, tell me what I did wrong, like the pictures. Everybody on Facebook, hey guys, go on there if you want to find a Foxbody. Probably not this one, but if you guys notice, we post the car every day. Sometimes Foxbodies, sometimes Chevys, whatever. They're in everybody's price range. Buyer beware, and just know, guys, that these are not our cars. And finally, I want to thank everybody on our YouTube channel. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the views. Hope you guys like the content. If you know someone that can benefit from it, please pass it on. If you've seen that I did something wrong or probably just need an assistant, go ahead and say something. No, I'm just playing. Well, thanks a lot, guys. And we'll see you soon. Let's finish this guy up.